Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial is about taking an image and converting it to Cmyk and making it print ready. This tutorial is really for myself and a reminder on how to do this. And if a person can accomplish this from this tutorial, that would be really amazing. What we're looking at is some promotional art for one of my character comic books called Rituals of Magic. Over here to the right, this document is currently RGB, red, green, and blue. The first thing that we're going to do is go image, mode, and convert this to Cmyk. In the channels layer, we can see the original document and the layers Cmyk. Then click on this area here with the lines and select split channels. We now have 4 different documents open: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. The first thing that we're going to do is bitmap all of these documents. We will start with cyan, go to image, mode, bitmap. The bitmap resolution is 300 with a halftone screen. Select OK. And randomly I chose 161 lines per inch. This will be the lines per inch for all 4 documents, and select OK. We can now do the same thing for all 4 documents. Mode, bitmap, 300, 161.45, and the shape is round. Now that we've done this image convert to bitmap, in the black layer, we will now select image, mode, convert this to grayscale, click OK, image, mode, select Cmyk color, select OK. Then go to the layers panel for this promotional art black document. Select the lock, unlock it, and label this as black. Head on over to the cyan promotional art, select all, edit, cut, select the black, edit, paste. This one we will relabel as cyan. Now select the magenta layer and do the same thing. And label that layer magenta. Then select the yellow layer, select all, edit, cut, edit, paste, relabel this one yellow. Now turn off all three layers except for the black layer. Zoom in on the document until you see these black rectangles. Select the magic wand tool, select one black rectangle, select similar, select inverse, edit clear to delete the white background, select inverse, select the color swatches boxes for the foreground color, select the K, put the K at 100%, select OK, edit, fill, select the foreground color normal 100%, and OK. Then view, fit on screen, and deselect. Do the same thing with the cyan. Zoom in, select one square, select similar, select inverse, edit clear, select inverse, select the foreground color, change it so cyan is at 100%, edit, fill, foreground color normal 100%, OK, fit on screen, and deselect. Select the magenta layer, zoom in, select a square, select similar, select inverse, edit clear, select inverse, select the foreground color, and put magenta at 100%. Edit, fill, foreground color normal 100%, view, fit on screen, and deselect. Select yellow, zoom in, select one black square, select similar, select inverse, edit clear, select inverse, select the color, make sure that yellow is at 100%. Edit, fill, foreground color normal 100%, then go view, fit on screen, deselect. Select all four colors to be visible. Select this layer channels or whatever they're called and select multiply for each yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. Then create a new layer. Make sure it's at the bottom. Select white and paint bucket fill with white. We now have something that is ready for print with yellow, magenta, cyan, and black, we can see in this document that I already created that there's a big difference. Here's the Adobe Illustrator coloring of the original illustration next to the Cmyk print ready. This is showing a close-up of an area here in the middle that is solid colors compared to the Cmyk of the same area, and it has bitmap coloring. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and have an excellent art day.